Again, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to download video from YouTube. Hey, please guys, click everything clickable to promote this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you're on Facebook, don't forget to hit the follow icon. I need that. Let's go there, man. In this video, the application I use is vidmate. So guys, before we progress, your data must be on. Now let's go there. Turn on your data. Now let me open the application. First, you must copy the share link from YouTube. So I will copy the share link from YouTube from the video you want to download. So watch it. Now click on the video. These three dots on that video. Click on it. Now click on share. Now copy the link by clicking on this copy. Now let's go back to the vidmate application. Now click on the vidmate application. Now click on the search box. This search box here, click on it. Now as you can see, it shows me notification in order to click it to download it, because if you copy the link then come here, the application will automatically show you the link, show you download, because I don't know, that's how they program the application. So I will hit download. But if the application didn't show any notification sign, paste it on that search bar and click on search. Now select the resolution you want the video to be. You see the available resolution here. So select it. I will select the 360p pixel. I will select it. So hit on this downloading button. Yeah, you can also change the name if you want by clicking this rename, but click on the downloading button to download it. As you can see, the application is downloading the video. As you can see, the video is downloading. The video is completely downloaded. Now to see the video you downloaded, click on the back navigation until you reach the application home page. Now let's check the video. Click here to check the video. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Click here to check the video. This downloading icon here, click it. As you can see the video I downloaded. Oh god, this application is perfect and also accurate in downloading. Application is the best YouTube downloading application now. If you are doubting, test and see. The link is in the description section. So let's go there. Page we update you in every software event and feature technology. So keep tight by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. And if you are on Facebook, hit that follow icon and keep visiting my page for more.